I craft everything. What's up, everybody? It's the Spunky One, and today I got a new tool. It's the Sizzix Texture Boutique. If you are into creating greeting cards, or you like stationery and would like to give it a 3D
comes with
feel,
tons of accessories
to get you
started,
so you don't even have to buy anything right out of the box. So I'm gonna take the two little plates, they are called shims, and I'm gonna take the embossing card and wrap it around my card. So if you're wondering, the machine already comes with pre-cut cards, so all you have to do is emboss your favorite design on it. There are some embossing plates that come with the machine, or you can purchase those separately. So I'm gonna put the card inside of the embossing plate and take the shims bottom and top and place them together like a sandwich. Let's call it a sandwich. Be mindful that your embossing plate is exactly where you want it on the card, because as you pull it through, it's going to emboss your stationery. Now let's do some manual labor. Place your shimwich inside of the little square hole and crank the handle until that shim goes all the way through the front and exits the back. It's gonna take some elbow grease, y'all. Just keep twisting, and shortly thereafter your shim will come out. Make sure you keep your little plates together just in case you want to stick it back through the machine. In my experience so far, I've only had to run it through the machine once, but just in case, I like to tell you guys to keep your shimwich together, because you want to make sure that it stays in the same place should you have to re-emboss. And now it's time to design your card with a little bit of embellishment. You can take ribbons, circles, confetti, glitter, rhinestones, whatever it is you'd like to add to your card. Since this is a simple design, I've used my Cricut machine to cut out the words Happy Mother's Day, and I even added an offset border for a little bit of extra flair. Now I'm going to glue those two layers together and add them to the card, along with a cute little heart that goes in the bottom right hand corner. But again, this is all personal preference, and you can choose to embellish your card however you want to. Or you can leave it blank, because the 3D texture on the card speaks for itself, and you can just write a special message inside of the card. Either way, I think it makes a super cute design, and the person who gets this card is going to love it. And while we're chatting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you haven't already, join our group on Facebook. It's called
I Craft Everything.
We'd love to have you. You never know when you can learn something, or share your experience with someone else who may have a question. We were all new at some point, and of course, it's helpful when other people can hop in and teach you something you may not have known. And voila, our greeting card is done. Isn't it cute? And the super cool part about this greeting card is the texture is on the inside of the card as well as the outside. You can definitely tell this is a different type of card. It's not one of those boring, stuffy ones that you get from the store. Look at that. Isn't it so cute? Simple yet elegant. So if you're wondering if you can do the same thing to the greeting card so that you have a matching set, the answer is yes. It is so cool, you guys. You can follow the same technique that I showed you at the beginning of this video by making a shimwich and putting it through the square and running it through the machine. Now, personally, I thought a less is more approach for this particular card was better, but I wanted to give you an overhead view of what it looks like as the shimwich comes out of the back of the machine. And what better way to do this than to test one of the envelopes and see how it turns out. All right, guys, it's manual labor time. ahead and take your sandwich out the back of the machine and place it on a table and detach all of the individual pieces. Okay, look at that. We have an envelope that now matches the card. So if you are into that kind of thing, you certainly can do that, or you can select a different embossing to put on the envelope. It does not have to be the same. The great part about this machine is you can literally create your design in your head and bring it to life. It's really easy. This Texture Boutique is super cool to create a greeting card from scratch, from start to finish, in about 5 to 7 minutes. If you add any additional embellishment, it may take a couple extra minutes, but other than that, it's really simple and easy. Thanks for watching this tutorial. See you next time. Bye.